हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा।
करदा धमाल सो मुंडा टुकड़े कमाल दा, मुंडा टुकड़े का।
जरा सांस तो ले दिलदार, चल फिक्र नु गोली मार यार, है दिन जिंद
खिस खिस के भेजा कर ले तेज धार यार। रट्टा मार ओ रट्टा मार, रट्टा मार।
Enough of this mundane life. We really need to go on a trip. Guys, we've had too many boring weekends. Let's do something fun. Sun, beaches, alcohol, fun. Let's plan a trip today, guys.
That's honestly a great idea. I mean, imagine going to Leh Ladakh and trekking, waking up to see the sunrise, trying all the new food there. I think we should really plan this weekend well.
You know what? I honestly don't mind where we go. The only thing that I want, we should enjoy ourselves.
Hold on, guys. Before we get carried away, we need to look at budget, destination, and logistics. Nothing works without a proper plan.
Wait, but what if our flight gets delayed, or our luggage is lost, or the hotel turns out to be super sketchy?
Okay, guys, honestly, I feel a Vegas party is the way to go. But let's pull out our laptops and actually make a proper plan. Trip! Bro, let's convince the group for Vegas. Neon lights, pool parties, it'll be a blast. Just think about it.
It's a good idea.
It's a good idea.
Yeah,
Are you sure?
let's go.
Or maybe we can just go to Goa and party with some locals and eat some nice fish and all.
Yeah.
What is the plan? You tell me what's the better plan.
That's awesome, bro.
You want to do both?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yes.
I don't know what these people are planning. I really don't want to go and party anymore. All we do is every weekend we just party. Anywhere we go, all we want to do is party. I don't want to do that anymore. I want to go out. I want to experience more things. Let's go to the Himalayas, or let's go to Leh Ladakh. Let's go to Manali. I don't know. Let's go somewhere where we can trek. We can meet new people. We can meet people from different ethnicities. We can eat new food. We can experience so many things. We can learn so many things. I feel like I'm very done with what we've been doing for so long.
That's all good, but Vegas and Himalayas both are really expensive, too impractical and too last minute. We need something accessible and affordable.
Hey, I'm done with your practicality side of everything. I understand that we need to think in a very pragmatic way. But what about learning? Do you know anything about climbing mountains, or do you know anything about cooking foods up in the hills? I think we need to learn more things, man. We're getting older. Day by day, we're getting older. We really need to start doing more things. What are you going to teach your children 10 years down the line? We really need to start experiencing more things.
I agree with the need to learn, but still we need a proper plan for everything.
I don't think that makes sense.
We're just gonna wing it.
Absolutely. Not winging it, man. It's just about learning. We really need to experience more.
Bro, all these people are talking about plans and where to go and what to do, but who'll explain to them how dangerous it is? Mountains means landslides. In Vegas, it's too crowded, too risky. And what if we end up making Hangover Part 4? What if someone gets sick or we lose our passports? Why can't we just sit in our room where it is safe?
What happened? Why are you crying?
Guys, you're planning too much. This is too much for me to handle.
I don't understand. How is it too much to handle? All we're doing is planning. That's one thing I agree with her. All we do is plan. Where? We need to go have some fun. We need to party. Let's go to Vegas, guys.
All you do every week is say you want to party, you want to go to Vegas. When will we start experiencing new things? Why can't we just stop partying and do something new?
What do you want to do? Climb the mountain. You want to climb mountain. He wants to make budget to climb the mountain. This guy just says yes for everything. She just cries about everything. What are we supposed to do then? Let's party, guys.
Aren't you tired of the whole party scene? What?
No.
When do we get to
Who's
do
tired
other
of partying?
things?
I don't think there's one person on campus who's tired to party.
You tell me, what is your opinion about it?
No, without structure, all things collapse. So
We'll
we
make
need
a
proper-
structure, but what do you want to do?
Yeah, we should discuss about that.
And what do you say? What do we do?
All we do
What's
is
your
discuss.
opinion?
Honestly, let's just sit at home and not go anywhere. This is too risky to go anywhere.
Of course, all we do is sit at home. Monday to Friday, we sit at home. We eat the same bindi. We eat the same mess food.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर नाजुक से मोती.
Guys, listen to me. Let's stop fighting.
I think he's right. I think we've troubled ourselves enough with this whole thing. And at the end of the day, what are we trying to do? We're trying to plan a trip. We're not trying to fight with each other.
True, I mean, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. Let's figure out the trip.
We need this.
And let's be safe.
Let's be safe. Let's understand what we want. Let's
Yeah.
go to a fun place. Probably the mountains.
Yeah.
Probably Vegas.
Or maybe the beach.
Or maybe some party.
That's also good.
Let's try to.
And we'll plan. Don't worry. We will plan. The plan will be made.
We got this, guys.
Yes, we got this. Masti!
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. तौबा आगे क्या करूं? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. तौबा.
Idea. Goa.
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 Goa!
Okay, Goa.
Yay! Hey, Justin, beat.
हे हे चलो ना ढूंढे शहर एक नया जहां मुस्कुराहटे हैं बिखरी जहां से गम का मौसम गया.
This girl always keeps her things here and there. I only have to clean it up every time.
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल. गाड़ी वाला आया.
What if I get sunburned? Or what if my phone falls in the sand? Or what if I step on jellyfish? Oh no, it's much safer here.
उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे.
Thank you, Justin, for always helping us. I honestly thought I was going to fall there. I really appreciate how you're always there for us.
दहलीज पार करा दे.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी.
This idiot has been running around for the past 1 hour. We have dinner reservation. We should leave right now.
पिघले नीलम सा बहता हुआ ये समा, नीली नीली सी खामोशियां, न कहीं है जमीन न कहीं आसमां.
It's so peaceful and quiet here. I can hear my thoughts and everything around me. I wish I could stay here forever with my sketchbook, my pencil, and all the beauty around me.
मेरी सांसें हैं और मेरी धड़कनें, ऐसी गहराइयां, ऐसी तन्हाइयां, और मैं, सिर्फ मैं. अपने होने पे मुझको यकीन आ गया.
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल. गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल. गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी.
They look like they're having fun. But what if something goes wrong out there?
I wish Sukriti was here. As neurotic as she is, she should have been here.
Yeah, man.